left and right, can we change legs? In eurythmy, you can do everything what you want, but everything is different. And for the yes and no, it's meaningful to use the left leg. This one, that's your left leg is there, because the left side, in a way, is the heart, is attributed towards the heart, in a way. So, and the yes, when I say yes, I need my heart qualities to really carry this decision through. I use it. It's a positive expression, in a way. And the right side, it's more attributed to the male qualities or to the top-down qualities, also to the harder forces in us. And for this reason, because we work with archetypes, it's not right as male, but it's just the first approach, and the other thing is inside as well, inside of it as well. But to say this no, we use this little bit harder energies from the right side to bring it back and say no. So it is meaningful to do the yes with left and the no with right.